good morning.
Now to say,
Nyamiadum hoye part. What's all to say?
Nyamiadum kakaka.
Good.
BBI fine. English teams is them say omogu ni penny masio.
Oh, omungo bi enimasi.
Okay, can in Abuma 28 goals. No matter how
omungo bi enimasi. That is maybe sometimes the Champions League is about small details be. Specific English teams so so it's like that. But we also because we be so I can say the Spanish La Liga is in a good place than English. You can't force them because it's a good point of view to come from.
Sure.
In fact,
it's more red 3.
Yeah, in fact, so share the history of the Champions League. Liga one of the most number of teams or quarterfinals in the Spanish La Liga before the English Premier League, before the other ones. German Bundesliga they are not there more. But it's also about the quality that goes there. English Premier League na echo. What's the quality that goes in there? But
before I go into specifics, you know, English teams you know they are not accounting for more. Unless I see teams you know goals baby no more do not answer film no. What exactly is the problem?
I think it's the first of quality, the golfing quality. No? Golfing quality in the sense say over Newcastle alone now they compare Barcelona now. The only reason Barcelona won't choose the quality of Barcelona's attack. Barca attack Nikitom, the quality that they have. Newcastle nya Barca baby Barca nya Newcastle and now else in James Park. They didn't have the quality to finish it off. Maybe if it was 4-0 at the St. James Park, would have been a different story today. So first of all, the quality. Again, you look at somebody like Atletico Madrid, Tottenham Hotspur. Tottenham, very bad season. It probably Atletico have the financial world to do to even buy players, even from Spain, to come and compete. Tottenham too was a scandal, but they have bought more quality and they're able to compete in there. And now, Mr. Sky for analysis be on why they think air causes a problem. According to Sky for say Osha English Premier League league ending. And all teams on the you tend to dissipate more energy to play in the league. By the time I come about Champions League, need that one break or there's some level of fatigue.
For example,
yeah.
Proud to say Chelsea but both PSG, you know.
No, about Newcastle. Exactly. It's almost say so much is need, you know. And almost issue the ratings of the teams are only boy.
Because I know energy sucking again.
Exactly. According to them, and you see, they are not too far from right. They are not too far from wrong. It can be an argument that anybody can say that because almost share the average rating of the Premier League teams now. According to them, so we share the average rating of teams at Barcelona and Madrid in the Liga. Even mid-table English clubs average rating. In fact, for them they mentioned say Portuguese clubs now sports in the Porto Bono. Even championship in England according to again average rating. So we can say, average rating alone too is not enough. Can we look at it team by team, any individual? That's what I'm saying that the reasons are a little bit too many. For example, Chelsea, not to make excuse for anybody, but Chelsea got return leg against Paris Saint-Germain on Wednesday and a Saturday they Newcastle.
Tuesday no say
before so about Tuesday match no crown. You are losing the captain. We're using the two right backs in you. Then the game that they played in the Paris Saint-Germain before that week had gone 5 days rest and a full week rest. It may not be enough. It may be small details, but all of these things sometimes go into it. And yet enough for Chelsea to say, so and nothing is free. Chelsea were bigger problems than what happened within that space. But then again, when you want to look at the reasons why. So, I mean, this season, I think that the Spanish La Liga are in a good place. Sure, they're in a very, very good place, and we need to give credit.
Yes, the message be about say, but the EP has the flexibility. And when it comes to buying of players, why still talk about quality when you have all this luxury to buy? Why you compare to it?
Very, very good point again from Bless. Talking about the quality, the ability to buy the players' quality, you know. And that is why most of the English Premier League teams will tell you, say, sometimes too is about the depth of the quality now. Ukiteska as an English Premier League team. Now to me talk quality of depth. Not the BR or depth vis-a-vis the games that you play and the difficulty of the game. Still they get tired to an extent. So it's a lot of reasons. But Obika say yes, you have money, you should be able to buy because who is catching me? Only exactly. So
two players.
Exactly. So buy more. Buy the best players and then get them to play and get the results for you.
And now what trick you squad no?
Yeah.
If for example, if you have EPL,
yeah.
What squad are the bubble?
Yeah.
Oh, bo Carabao, what squad are the bubble?
Yeah.
So Champions League is at least they are.
Yeah. First competition. So
it is all there. No be excuse.
Yeah.
Say no need to know you a free man. I think we won't buy that excuse.
Oh yes. For a lot of the connoisseurs of the Spanish football, they will not agree to it. That's what I'm saying is it comes down to also the individual analysis of the various clubs.
Okay.
Because you can't also overlook that.
Yeah.
If you look at Obit Manchester City, you can't tell me the City need quality. City has quality like Madrid. In fact, Madrid for their players no money available regularly would have started for Madrid, but they were not in the team. So why is it that Madrid for no still able to come and play? A lot of other things factor into that. And that is why Sky F1 FR one leg of it saying that the teams in Spain and other leagues will play against lesser teams as compared to what the English Premier League teams will play. And Rich, himself, when you look at the English Premier League table, no topper, the competition for places is keenly contested. So maybe you can also justify that and say, okay, fine, a little bit tougher to play in the English Premier League than to play there. But I who say a lot of the Barca fan accounts, Madrid fan accounts, a lot of them are saying that Nanyam Premier League near strongly, Yashemo 20-something 8 they say. And that is dominant because 3 teams they free Spain and more against English Premier League sides. And Rich, they beat them. And now shall let's come at versus Story and Pa. I let you go in the back free accelerator, so no relaxing on your mobile. But still they can't be dominant when they play against them. And that tells you how difficult it is to play in conditions like that. And easy for you to go and play in matches like that. Even is your ball round of 16, your ball league phase, Now English Premier League team 6 na qualify no. You can say move 5 or 4 and now qualify automatically. Chelsea, Tottenham Hotspur, Manchester City, Liverpool, and Arsenal. Chelsea are free, Tottenham Hotspur free, Man City are free. All automatic qualifying teams. Madrid and qualify automatically in a film. Paris Saint-Germain qualify automatically Chelsea a film. Atletico Madrid and qualify automatically we're in a film. So it tells you, say at this point also, it's not about what you did in the league phase. A lot of things affected. Rich, the road to Budapest, no, Ababaye clear, and now we know who the final 8 are, with respect to going straight to go and play in a Champions League final. I mean, say for every Hungarian player, there is going to be a lot of confidence and hope. Say Ombetinia qualify at Budapest. Rich, and now the game started at the Spotify Camp Nou. We were saying here, say, Adia Bako match game very interesting. They say, Barca will fear team but the other side of the conversation was that Barca also in the Champions League this season at home, they had never kept a clean sheet. Until him say they are Newcastle Beshe. And I remember telling you, say your game out the St. James Parker. Newcastle will make the game like this. Send your momo penal. Yeah, but Spotify Camp Nou, Barca need to make sure say they are making the game exactly like how they want it to be for them. Which you say, your ball first half New Year game ended 3-2. Na Antonio Langa Bobo saying Dane Maradona Bino. It is because Barca did not make the game like this in the first half. First half, no. No Barca big game, no pinting. It was too fast. It was too transitional. And Mekane several times say, if Barca go into any game and they try to make the game transitional, they play like Newcastle. Newcastle will beat them. And you see, no almost share, na Newcastle share, almost share Newcastle share until that penalty that Barca made it 3-2. But in the second half, it was a completely different game. And first of all, a lot of credit to Hansi Flick. Which say, oh, but man for man, this week our Champions League, 2 teams that more aggressive man for man. Large score lines. Chelsea could man for man against Paris Saint-Germain. Shane Bibri 8-2 on aggregate. Newcastle could aggressive man for man against Barcelona. Away at the Spotify Camp Nou because you dare not sit back against Barcelona. You both game you will lose 7-2. It is because when you play man for man against the best attacks away we are here, you need to be very careful. The difference is that Paris Saint-Germain did not concede a goal. Barcelona conceded. Paris Saint-Germain will take their time and will not make you make the game transitional for them. On the passing, kitting, and pull you out. In the second half of the game, when Lamine Yamal predominantly was moved to the middle of the park to try and pull out Newcastle for no blocks, no, you could tell how Barcelona were very calm. Let's wait for the opening and goal. Reach some of the goals, me sure go and say, hey, the morning now, should be a Barcelona for the body free. Ejibone no FIFI, morning nam, obi now, until you come on and touch it and clear. Because it was just so slick and so better. In the second half, it was such a very, very good performance for Tima, your friend of Football Club Barcelona. After the game, what it meant that Lamine Yamal is the youngest player to get 10 goals at the Champions League in him. Beating Kylian Luton Mbappe record, no, and most goals before 10 and 19. Mbappe 10, Lamine Yamal 9. If he scores obviously in the rest of the games, and he's going to be up there, of course, and the next one, Raul Gonzalez. And I'm sure Mark Barnard go. And I'm catching was like, this is a pure La Masia boy, pure academy product. You get to learn every phase of play. Obetma defense, Obetma deal, Obetma 8, Obetma 9. He said that at the La Masia sometimes he used to play as a 10. And now the finishing, the calmness to drop the shoulder and then slot the ball into the back of the net purely told you what you need to know about Abantia, your friend Mark Bernal, and it was a very, very good one for him. Which Barca won't have done the job. At home, they've gotten it. Now, our next opponent be Atletico Madrid. On the 4th of April, on the 7th of April, and on the 14th of April.
That's what I'm a bomb.
I'm
a bomb.
Okay.
Teams in a bit may Barca in the Champions League now. Atletico Madrid didn't count.
Yeah. Atletico count. Okay. But we never think Copa del Rey.
I know.
Okay.
I know, but so wouldn't they see your second leg, you know?
But so soon you see your first leg. Sana Atletico Nibias maybe so.
I know, but what I'm saying is that matches between both teams, you know. So wouldn't they win him? In the scoreline and a tiny.
And Atletico for said near a German saying or Chin born a 4. Oh wonder. Into a show 4 now so be saying 3 I still say free more.
I know, but what I'm saying is that Sa to go team winner and go and team biasa.
Of course.
They flatter to deceive.
But Barcelona also have frailties. The best.
Oh yeah, and Barca the young meeting.
Yeah.
Game be they concede.
The best timer. Young so being Barca Abba. Why exploiting all the frailties? Forget about I don't know Preston catch him say Wanda Metropolitano Park no so no etro to Barca phone ko bo mo selepeni ade. Forget about things like that. Otinyashe 4 goals to 0 is Atletico Madrid. So I just hope that Barca tweak something and they are more careful playing against Atletico, especially when they play at the Wanda, because the first game is going to be at the Spotify. The first leg gonna be more Spotify. If Barca can kill off the game here, if they do, this becomes difficult for them. And I think that is how the game dynamic is going to be like. Richard Nhyira, I was excited for Anna Slot, not because of the game results no munya, you know. It was because Anna Slot has realized say the 4-3-3 and 4-2-3-1 all both for Liverpool, no, it was not working for him. Rich Saleh, the effects that he used to have on the right hand side on the wing as keeping the weight on him is not coming. And now formation and a slot boy, you know, move Salah close to goal. Like saying Ronaldo in here, he moved away from the wing to come close to goal. No? That is exactly how I saw Liverpool and now. It became a 4-2-2-2. On paper, obviously, it looked like a 4-3-3. But on the ball, the back four, no, and on board Gravenbach and McAllister. Then push Florian Wirtz and Abrante's friend Domenico Szoboszlai as the 2 inside number 10s. Then the 2 up top were Abrante's friend Mohamed Salah and Hugo Kitiki. Then Jeremy Frimpong and Milos Kekes kept the weight for them. And I think that gave Liverpool a lot of balance, especially centrally, to go direct at Sima, your friend Galatasaray, to get a job done. I said, we catch that. Say me. I don't have a lot of memory of Roberto Carlos, the ball striking. My bad say it was powerful. Me can say secondary police bar. My face should be, but stories in the catch ever or attack the police bar. I'm so will be beating me net near ding na.
I go via around in the short.
Net
and net.
Because near beat me net near
the short to the home. Power need dear channel. You go keep an outcome bit me.
But so was like the enemy too clean. And again, I didn't see that of Roberto Carlos. So was and now go no say no back left to
the technique not apply.
That is it.
And the
technique is near perfect. Because he walks towards the ball and then bam. The ball striking is too clean. And
trademark.
It is. We cannot share free kick for against Tony Amos. Which he just walks to the ball. He just walks to the ball. Then the ball too clean. And now when Liverpool needed somebody as the 10, Yankwanko Bono rides back, Yankwanko Bono DM, playing him centrally close to goal. Liverpool got the best of our brand friend Dominico Szoboszlai and 5 goals and 4 assists for team and friend in Liverpool. Dominico Szoboszlai now with 4 goals and 5 assists now appearance at Anfield, the longest run by a midfielder for Liverpool in all competitions since Steven Gerrard in 2007. Of course, now Hugo Ekitike was good. Anfield tamed Victor Osimhen.
And I don't so crowd. The entire team.
Yeah.
We goalkeeper maybe or 1 or 2.
Yeah.
Says to be an
yeah. Was it a good day for them?
No. Boy.
Wasn't a good day for them.
And
no, me asking inside here.
Osimhen And now the.
Make sure more now.
Liverpool defense need temu no.
Make sure more now. Okazen is there. Me conjure we reach Newcastle. Reach Newcastle. But we say why is he has a handbag Peter Junior? You find exact.
And only power control ball na no match.
Oh, but your point the nisa to sling.
Go via antes or
Maunyo.
Me anam Junior. Bibianya.
And then Mohamed Salah also from penalty spots, and what it means is that for an African player, 50 goals, and he has gone to the top 10 of Champions League scorers. The history of it, a big blockbuster game in the quarterfinal. Liverpool playing against Luis Enrique's side, Paris Saint-Germain. And as Slot said, I don't think they will be that happy to play us after seeing our performance tonight. He knows that it's going to be good. And now Tottenham tried to turn it around. They won on the night, but not enough to turn around the whole tie. Then, of course, to this one, if he also, team my friend Bayern Munich got a job done. Harry Kane, beautiful goal par El Hodom, and you can tell quality for our brand here, a friend Harry Kane. Now, quickly, Rich, match is so good now. Why now, Shani Yembeshino? No point in
I think Liverpool because of last season there.
No.
Last season Liverpool. I'm dominating Champions League no.
Yeah.
At this Paris Saint-Germain team free. You can say playoff and say you free. So that no be a few say. So we be to me at the Champions League by was Liverpool. But much free. And this same team as Abbey Chelsea free. Oyamba show kaka. Bayern Real Madrid game no. And open me share. For
me that is where the meat is.
Real Madrid bomb the bia.
No, and America say
no,
America say be kill contested. Me say that's where the meat is. Ain't America say Bayern for only this season. They are on very good form. Or say 5, 6, 7. They would have loved to avoid them. Only say in almost 10 years or so. Almost me in Madrid in frame. The last time Thomas Tuchel called him, you're going to phone from Joselu free bench about turning the game around.
Really?
So my issue right now is that when you look at Bayern Munich, now would they be happy to play against Madrid? No. There's a company bet I can say, hey, how is this thing going to turn out for them? I know that for Sporting CP, it's going to be more difficult for them because it's Arsenal that is coming home. Rich, Mamin congratulate you and boys no FS Kabi brain. Mamin congratulate you and now. To me first, congratulations to all of them because in the last 2 days, my boys, but of course, we were able to get them to win some good moments. Congratulations, Nene. We bet coach Kakrebi after now win. We are pushing for streak from now to the weekend. Michelle, don't let it pass you by. UTMia, Michelle, for our pen or paper or radio. So on Nhyira TV of YouTube, it's about to take his screenshots. Rich, my first code a BW 46D 3191F. That is the first code. Second code near BW 46D 2FF24. Third one a BW 46D 2D 5AC. Fourth one BW 46D 29A7A. And the last one BW 46D 24E98.
Okay. Okay, that's it. Just for encouragement, in so I'm in Shawans 4.5. Gabriel, Blues, I say the midfield of Bana, Pedri, and Femin are not even better than Jolinton, Tonali.